Hi, I am M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today we are going to start TCS test preparation, module number 3, reasoning ability or logical ability, which is belongs to aptitude. About TCS test pattern, Section A, quantitative ability or numerical ability. Number 2, general English. Number 3, logical part or reasoning part. Second part, advanced section. Advanced quantitative ability, advanced reasoning and coding test. This is about TCS test pattern, Section A and Section B. About first section syllabus, Section C or module number 3, reasoning ability, total number of questions 20 to 25, maximum 25, minimum 20, time duration 25 minutes. Target 60 marks, 60% of the total number of questions. No negative marks, attempt to all questions. You need to maintain sectional wise cutoff, sectional wise marks. Section A and Section C, Module 1 and Module 3, these two are belongs to aptitude. Module number 2, General English, that is functional grammar. Next, Module number 3, reasoning ability topics, a total time duration only 25 minutes. Level of difficulty, basic to average level in first section. Advanced means questions are lengthy and time taking. The type of questions are belongs to section 2, advanced reasoning ability. First section, module number 3, reasoning ability. Topics in reasoning ability. First one, coding and decoding, letter and number concept. Coding and decoding, letter concept, minimum 3 marks only. 2 topics in reasoning ability, coding and decoding, letter concept. In letter concept, subtopics number 1, letter series, number 2, letter classification, number 3, letter analogy. These 2 chapters are depending only alphabetical letters in English. Either check difference concept or check multiplication concept. In next third concept, number series, number classification, number analogy. Minimum 1 mark, maximum 2 marks. In next application, first difference concept, second multiplication concept, third nearest square number and cube number. Again same, number series, number classification, number analogy. Series is nothing but sequence of letters or numbers are called series. Second, classification are also called odd man out. Find the different option. Third, analogy is nothing but similarity. This is about first topic, first chapter in TCS test pattern reasoning part. Second, direction test. Third one, puzzle test. This is very, very important. 3 to 5 marks only puzzle test topic. One of the most important topic in reasoning ability, that chapter name puzzle test or analytical reasoning or data arrangement. Important topics in puzzle test. Number 1, seating arrangement. Number 2, family based examples. Number 3, comparison test. 3 topics are very, very important puzzle test. A fourth one, decision making, a 2 marks minimum. Simple topic. Next, logical deductions or syllogism. Minimum 2 marks only, logical topic. And also important to logical Venn diagram. A chapter name logic. Subtopics: number 1, logical Venn diagrams. Number 2, logical deductions. Number 3, logical connectives. But important only Venn diagram important and deductions only important. Your next, statements and conclusions. And statements, conclusions, statements, assumptions, statements, arguments, statements, course of action, and cause and effect. I think maximum only 1 mark. Next, data sufficiency. Again, next, another important topic in logical ability. The topic name data sufficiency. 2 to 3 marks only, data sufficiency. Next, unboxing cube means cube, cuboid and dices. 1 to minimum 1, maximum 2 marks only, non-verbal reasoning part. And also prepare non-verbal reasoning, figure concept and paper folding and paper cutting concept and image concept, water image, mirror image, figure series, figure classification, figure analogy. These topics also important reasoning part. But I think total 10 chapters. Out of these chapters, important only. All are important, but highest marks in reasoning ability. Puzzle test 3 to 5 marks only, puzzle test. Data sufficiency 3 marks only, data sufficiency 8 marks. 2 marks logical deductions and 2 marks decision making, and 3 to 5 marks coding, decoding, letter and number concept. These topics are very, very important. First, you prepare these topic concepts perfectly, then 70% of the preparation completed, remaining 30% other topics in reasoning ability. This is about reasoning ability, topics and pattern. A number of questions 20 to 25. Time duration only 25 minutes. Here important only time factor only important. Just you apply the shortcut procedure or general procedure means logical procedure. 90% of the questions are belongs to only logical approaching method. If you know logic of that example, then that paper easy. Okay, right. A quantitative ability, already that pattern completed, covered 2 papers which are belongs to logic, quantitative ability or numerical ability. That section also important, TCS test pattern. A first section only general subjects, aptitude and verbal ability, and second part also prepare coding part. I first part salary package of TCS company. First one, basic salary package 3.6 lakhs package per annum. Second one, TCS digital 7 lakhs package per annum. 7 lakhs package. Okay, right. In next, now reasoning ability paper 1 in TCS NQT test pattern or TCS Ninja test pattern. Yes, first example. This type of questions are belongs to reasoning ability. A first example, in each of the 5 pairs of the letter clusters, the letters in the second term is rearranged, transformed from the letters in the first term in a particular pattern in which 2 pairs as the transformation being done the same way. Same way. This is called information. In next, first point, MASON is coded as AMNOS, means analogy concept. One statement is given, LHS and RHS. In that statement to find the logic and also calculate remaining 5 questions logic and comparing logics of these 5 questions, which 2 are same, that is answer of the given example. A first one, just you write only order, there is no logic here, there is no formulas here, there is no simplification. Your questions are based on only order concept. Means write order, LHS and RHS order only important. Suppose first one, here M is first letter, A second letter, M is third letter, O fourth letter, N fifth letter. Write RHS order. Here first one A means second letter, next first letter, next fifth one, next fourth one, next third one. Just you check the order 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. Similarly, second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 RHS 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay, right. Next third one again same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order. Yes, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. I think first one and third one almost 100% same. Similarly, a fourth one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 RHS, third one, second one, first one, fourth one, and fifth one and fourth one. This is not a perfect order. Next fifth one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 2, 1, 5, 4. Yes, not available here. That is not correct method. So 1 and 3 following same logic. 1 and 3 means option C only correct. This is about first example method. A first example, coding and decoding or letter concept. Just you apply only analogy concept, means similarity. One statement is given, in that statement find the logic and comparing remaining questions also, which 2 are same, means logic same, that is answer of the given example. This is about first one. Next second example, this is called puzzle test. Right, first theory, there are 5 rods K, L, M, N, O. The weight of L is equal to the weights of K and M taken together. Equation wise, first equation, L is equal to K plus M. This is called equation number 1, first equation. Second, the weight of M is twice the weight of K. That is, M is equal to 2 into K. Twice means double. This is called a second equation. Third one, the weight of N is 3 times the weight of M. Then N is equal to 3 into M. This is called third equation. And next, using second and third statements, second and third equations, N is equal to 3M, M is equal to 2K, then N is equal to 6K, because M 3 into M, where M is equal to 2K, then N is equal to 6 into K, or N is equal to 3 into M. Next, if the weight of N is 90 kg, if the weight of N is 90 is equal to 3 into M, M is equal to 30. Similarly, N is equal to 60, then K is equal to 60 by 6 is equal to 10. M is equal to 30, K is equal to 10. K is equal to, right, suppose here N is equal to 3M. Here 30 by 3, 30 by 3 is equal to 30. By using first equation, 30 is equal to 2 into K, then K is equal to 15. K is equal to 15. Now substitute here, L is equal to 15 plus 30 is equal to 45. Here L is equal to 45 kg. Next, finally, the weight of O is twice of L. Twice means double. O is equal to 2 into L, where L is 45. Then 2 into 45 is equal to 90. Therefore, O weight is equal to 90. So, option D only correct. This is about simplification. Linear equation solving method. All terms are clearly given. Here, calculate one by one weight. Here M weight is equal to 30, K weight is equal to 15, next L weight is equal to 45, given N weight is equal to 90. Calculate O weight. O weight is 2 into L weight. O is equal to 2 into 45 is equal to 90. Option D only correct. This is about second example. Simple concept, but it important only time factor only important, because this is called basic level test. Your first round basic level test, second one advanced level test. Basic questions are very simple. Level of difficulty basic to average level. Just you prepare only exact concept of the topic, then only first section completed. Okay, right. Next, third example, which is belongs to decision making. A 2 marks compulsory. You may write any TCS test pattern, and also AMCAT based exams minimum 2 marks only. Decision making topic. Very simple topic. Some information is given. Based on that information, calculate answer of the above given example. Okay, right. Given question. The first theory. The following are the criteria of selecting a software engineer for an IT company. The candidates must means conditions. That is called HR policy. Here, first one, A, have completed BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, with more than 70% of marks. First criteria, minimum cutoff marks, minimum eligibility criteria. A degree BCA, aggregate 70% and above. That is first condition. Second condition, be more than 20 and less than 30. Age should be less than 30 and more than 25. Consider up to 1st June 2020. Not today, but this question consider up to 1st June 2020. And third statement, have secured more than 75 marks in the interview and more than 60 marks in the written test. Third condition, written test 60 marks and above, then only eligible to next round. That is called interview round. But interview marks 75% and above. 75 marks, we know 75 marks and above. Next conditions, A to B, but has completed MCA instead of BCA. At least 75 marks is to be referred to the managing director. And second condition, A to C, but I secured more than 85% marks in BCA, referred to chief executive officer. MCA candidates referred to managing director, and BCA candidates more than 85% marks and above referred to chief executive officer. This is about information of the given problem. A first condition, BCA 70 marks and above. Age 25 and 30, between 25 and 30. Next, third condition, written test marks 60% and above. Interview marks 75% and above. If the problem satisfied these three conditions, then candidate is to be selected. Next, exemptions. First exemption at A. MCA candidates with 75% and above refer to managing director. And next one, BCA aggregate 85% and above, for 85% and above directly referred to Chief Executive Officer. These two are called exemptions. A next example, first example, a next name, a complete BCA and MCA 76% and 72% marks respectively. A first statement satisfied, we want 70% only in BCA, that one satisfied. MCA also satisfied. Next, age less than between 25 and 30, that one also satisfied because 27 years. Next, written test we want 60%, but here 65 marks means that one also satisfied. And interview we want 75% only, but given 70%. A first qualification satisfied. Next, aggregate satisfied, age satisfied, written test satisfied, and interview also satisfied, means all conditions are satisfied. Then answer the candidate is to be selected means option D only correct. This is about decision making topic concept. Very simple concept. You may write any TCS test pattern, reasoning ability, and also MCAT based companies like entity data. Next, emphasis. And next one, HCL. All these companies are following MCAT test pattern. You may write any MCAT test pattern, minimum 2 marks only, decision making concept. Sometimes 5 marks also, but 5 marks means level of difficulty, lengthy and complex. 2 marks questions are very simple. Everything is given. Just you apply above information only. That concept is called decision making. Next, fourth example, number 4th, again puzzle test. A 3 to 5 marks only puzzle test. A 1 mark puzzles and 3 mark puzzles, total 5 marks in your exam in TCS test pattern. But very simple. Again, based on only theory information of the given example, that information only important here. The next example, 4 friends A, B, C and D have one of the 4 professions: doctor, architect, engineer and lawyer. Each friend belongs to one of the 4 different cities: Chandigarh, Indore, Lucknow and Pune. A is not a lawyer or engineer. The doctor is from Lucknow. This point important. By using option verification, that method easy and simple. The doctor is from Lucknow. A doctor place Lucknow by using option verification. B is a doctor and belongs to Chandigarh. This statement is not correct because a doctor place only Lucknow but not Chandigarh, and other place not correct. D option not correct. Elimination process. And B option also doctor belongs to Pune. This one also not correct. By using this statement, the doctor is from Lucknow. But B statement, doctor is Pune, doctor is from Chandigarh. These 2 statements are exactly not correct because the statement clearly given doctor place only Lucknow. The next statement, D is an architect. Next statement, the lawyer is from Pune, lawyer place only Pune. But C option, lawyer belongs to Chandigarh. Again, this is not correct. Correct option only option A. That means B is a lawyer and belongs to Pune. This option only correct. Just you apply only logic of the above puzzle, but no need to solve complete solution of the given puzzle. That is time taking and lengthy because here 1 minute only. Just you apply only option verification. That is suitable method of this example. Suppose general method. First write professions, write names A, B, C, D. Next column places and third column professions. This is called a classification model. You next fill the basic information. That basic information, a doctor is from Lucknow and D profession architect, that is given. Next statement, lawyer is from Pune, lawyer place Pune, and doctor place Lucknow. But D not correct because D profession architect. These two conditions are possible only A, B and C only. Next, the engineer is neither from Chandigarh nor from Pune. Engineer means neither from Chandigarh nor from Pune. The Pune, that condition clearly given. Lawyer is from Pune. Place not equal to Chandigarh. Engineer not equal to Chandigarh because that is clearly given. And D is not from Pune. C is not from Indore. Which of the following statements is true about B? That by using option verification, option A only correct. Next, this is called general method. Next, fill the data. Some conditions are clearly given. First condition, A is not a lawyer or engineer. A is not a lawyer means A not a lawyer means lawyer from Lucknow. Doctor from Lucknow. Next, lawyer from Pune. A Pune possible only B and C. Just B and C only possible. Suppose B consider lawyer and next lawyer profession and place Lucknow. Place Pune. Lawyer from Pune. B suppose B completed. Next condition. D is not from Pune. That is clear information. Next, C is not from Indore. And C is not from Indore means your places already. I think. Places Pune completed, and doctor from Lucknow, that one also completed. And next, D is from Pune, that one also condition. C is not from Indore. Next, other condition, A is not a lawyer or engineer, but here architect completed. Next, this is called lawyer completed. And doctor only possible. Engineer is not possible. Engineer possible only C because C A is not a lawyer or engineer, but D architect completed. B lawyer completed. Next possibility only engineer possible. Next one engineer possible. Next one or a doctor possible, doctor only possible, but A is not a engineer means engineer possible only C, remaining doctor only A. Doctor condition Lucknow place. A is a doctor Lucknow and B lawyer Pune, and next C engineer, and D next one D profession architect. But next D is not from Pune. In remaining condition C is not Indore. C is not Indore means remaining possibility Chandigarh only possibility. Here Chandigarh completed and Indore only possible D. So that answer D Indore architect, C Chandigarh engineer, B lawyer Pune, A doctor Lucknow. But we want only B case only, lawyer Pune only possible, option C only correct. No need to apply this method. This method is lengthy and complex method because here only 1 mark. Then you apply only option verification. The type of questions always exist only option verification method. That method only easy and simple concept. Okay, but this is about 4th example. Just you check only doctor is from Lucknow and next one lawyer from East Pune. These two statements enough to solve the problem. Okay, right. But 5 marks type of questions are given. 100% applicable only this method. Either seating arrangement or table method. You can follow any one method. Some of the questions are belongs to classification model, means table model, and next seating arrangement, line concept or circle concept. These models only important puzzle test. Next, 5th example. I think this one very simple. Letter concept, but calculate wrong term in the following series. First, find the series which is not following that series, that is called odd one out or classification or wrong series. Order only important. First one C, 1-to-1 correspondence. Second F, third J, fourth O, fifth U. First letter. Write numbers C3, F6, next J10 and O15, U21. Next difference. Here +3, next +4, next +5, Next to plus 6, correct. 3, 4, 5, 6, exactly correct. Second, M, P, T, Y, F. 13, 16, 20, 25, 31 or 6. A to Z, Z to A is the cyclic repetition but not ending. A 27 or 1, B 28 or 2, C 29 or 3, and so on. Next to find the difference, plus 3, next to plus 4, next to plus 5, next to plus 6, again correct. Next, third one, Q 17, T 20, X 24, C 29 or 3, I 9. Right number 17, 20, 24, 29, 9. 29 or 3, both way correct. Difference, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Here plus 6 means that one also correct. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. 13 plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. I think F number 32, not 32, 31. F number 32, not 31. Suppose A 27, B 28, C 29, D 30, E 31, F 32. But 65 plus 25 plus 6, 31, but not 32. This series is not correct. So F is not correct. F means second letter F. Second one F means UFI. This is not a following perfect series. That one is called odd one out. So option D only correct. First series plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Third series plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Second series plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7, but not plus 6. This is called odd one out. F is not correct. Here E only correct, but not F. So answer UFI. Second one only not correct. So option D only correct. Very simple concept. Letter concept means letter series, letter classification, letter analogy. Total we have 3 subtopics. If you prepare 3 topics perfectly in TCS test pattern, minimum 2 marks only. Alphabetical letters concept. Just you follow A to Z. A to Z means cyclic repetition but not ending. If follow that order perfectly, then 2 marks completed. 90% of the questions are in letter concept using only difference concept, either plus or minus. No need to check other concepts. No need to calculate square number and cube number. That case is maximum not possible. Possible only addition and subtraction. Rare cases multiplication. Okay. Next, sixth one again puzzle test. Sixth one puzzle test. I think 2 puzzles already completed. This is called third puzzle. Sixth example. Nehal, Iqbal, Ronit, Malini and Harbhajan participate in any one of the 5 activities, that is quiz, singing, dance, debate and mimicry. Classification model. First, verify option verification. Second, apply the general procedure. The general procedure, first write names: Nehal, Iqbal, Ronit, Malini, Harbhajan. Second column, only one condition. Competitions, activities or competitions. Okay, right. Ronit, that is clear information, singing. Ronit, first you write basic information. First you fill the basic information. Ronit is singing. Harbhajan does not participate in debate and mimicry, condition. Malini does not participate in mimicry, but Iqbal clear information. Okay, right. This is called basic information. Next, to apply conditional information. First condition, Harbhajan does not participate in debate and mimicry. Debate not possible. Mimicry not possible. Quiz completed. Singing completed. Suppose debate and mimicry not possible because that is the condition. And singing completed and quiz completed. Remaining possibility only dance. Harbhajan only dance. This is called Harbhajan activity or competition. Here next one, Malini does not participate in mimicry but pending only 2 activities. One is mimicry and second one debate. But not mimicry means, Malini means debate. This is called debate. All are completed except only mimicry. Then Neha only mimicry. This is called answer of the given example. Very simple, mimicry. Okay, right, mimicry, right. A Neha mimicry, Iqbal quiz, Ronit singing, Malini debate or bhajan dance. But a problem, who participates in debate? Debate means only Malini. Option A only correct. This is about a sixth example. Classification model, just you draw table, only two conditions. First condition only persons, second condition only activities or competitions. Okay, right. Next, seventh example. This is called logical deductions or syllogism. In TCS test pattern, minimum 2 marks only deduction concept. That means statements and conclusions. One of the most important topic in reasoning ability. We can expect minimum 2 marks only deduction concept. Very simple. This topic depending only Venn diagram concept. Here 3 Venn diagrams are only possible. First Venn diagram, all statement. Second Venn diagram, some statement. Third Venn diagram, no statement. If you know the relation between all statement, some statement, no statement, then 2 marks completed. It important only Venn diagram, only important. All statement, all indicate all A or B. This indicate all type of Venn diagram. And next, this is called some type of Venn diagram. This is called no type of statement Venn diagram. Just following only 3 possible Venn diagrams. Your first method, first you write statements. First you draw a diagram of 2 given statements. Your first statement, all animals. Just you draw all statements. Indicate all. This indicate all. Okay, right. This is called Venn diagram of 2 given statements. First statement, all condition. Second statement, again all condition. Using 2 statements, always you draw exact diagram. There is no possibility. If you draw possibility Venn diagrams, that method, it is not correct method. One diagram enough. That is only exact Venn diagram of given statements. Sometimes 3 statements, 4 statements, n statements. In type of statements are given. Using n statements, you draw only single Venn diagram of given statements. Next, apply the condition. This type of Venn diagrams are exist. 2 possible solutions only correct. A sequence method consider only all statement. Reverse consider only some statement. Suppose all A or B. This is called all A or B. A to B relation all. What about B to A relation? B to A relation some only correct but not all. All A or B, some B or A. Either Venn diagram concept or set relation concept. Suppose by using set relation concept, consider A set A comma B comma C, then B set A comma B comma C comma D. All A or B, all A set elements or belongs to B set elements. Next, B to A relation, ABC common. One element is common, is nothing but some relation. A to B all correct, B to A some correct. Same logic apply here. A, B, C, A to B to C indicate all correct. Reverse C B A, C to B some, C to A some, B to A some. These are only exactly correct. Remaining all are not correct. Now check the conclusions one by one. A first conclusion, B to A relation, some correct. Next, some elements are not correct. All animals, this direction all correct. 1 and 3, option B only correct. Very simple topic. Here Venn diagram concept, all A or B. Some A or B, no A is B. This type of questions are belongs to statements and conclusions. Statements and conclusions. This is topic logic. If the relation not given, then select the option maybe. Maybe indicate either or. Other condition, no type of statements are given. If relation not given, then select the option some not. This is about deduction topic. If you know these rules perfectly, then 2 marks completed in the exam. Next, MCAT and other essential other examination pattern, minimum 3 to 5 marks only deduction topic, but in TCS test pattern only 2 marks. Okay, 2 questions, 2 minutes. Next, eighth one, data sufficiency. Right, example, how many rupees would Shalini need to spend to buy 11 pencils and 14 pens cost? Shalini spent an amount of rupees 201 to buy 15 pencils and 12 pens. Statement 1, general equation solving method. One equations, two unknowns. Only first equation not possible to find out alone prices pencil and pen. So general information, 15 pencils plus 12 pens cost 201. Using first statement alone is not correct. Second statement, 7 pencils, 9 pens is equal to 121. This is called equation number 2, general mathematical procedure. To equations, 2 unknowns, we can calculate pen cost and pencil cost. These two substitute the above example, and we can solve 11 pencils and 14 pens answer. If both together sufficient, so option, the combination of the both the statements 1 and 2 necessary, option D only correct. This is called data sufficiency. Once more, data sufficiency topic concept. First calculate first one alone, second statement alone if not combined A and B statements. But first statement alone not possible to calculate pencil and pen cost. Alone prices are not possible using one equation. Second statement again not possible, 2 unknowns, 1 equation. Next, to apply combined both and both 1 and 2 statements together possible. Using general equation solving method, calculate 1 pen cost, 1 pencil cost. But your question is 11 pencils and 14 pens. 11 into 1 pencil, 14 into 1 pen. That can possible by using both statements together. So that answer option D only correct. This is about 8th one, data sufficiency. This is a topic also very important to TCS test pattern. We can expect minimum 3 marks only data sufficiency. Is sufficient or not? I think pen not required, observation only required. No need to calculate 1 pen cost, 1 pencil cost. That type of solutions are not required here. Here question sufficient or not by using above data. That concept is called data sufficiency. Next, ninth one, general statements and course of action. Statements and assumptions, statements and arguments, statements course of action, and statements cause and effect. These topics also important, general life topics. Think only universally but not personal. A statement, air quality has been polluted due to the increasing number of 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers. This is called statement. Next, course of action plan. First plan, there should be a complete ban on the sales of 2-wheelers at least for the next 5 years. But real time that cannot possible. Second, monitoring should take place to ensure that the vehicles owners get their vehicles checked and certified for pollution control. This one possible. 4-wheelers cause more pollution, hence 4-wheelers alone can be banned from running on the roads. That can in real time also not possible. A strong statement only, second one only correct, means option B. This is called statement course of action plan. Very simple topic. Once more, minimum 1 to 2 marks only. Logical part of aptitude. One is conclusion, argument, assumptions, action plan, cause and effect. 2 marks in the exam. Very simple topics. Next, 10th one. A 10th one, direction test. A child is looking for his father. He went 90 meters in the east before turning to his right. He went 20 minutes before turning to his right again to look for his father. It is uncle place. 30 minutes from this point. Just draw diagram. A first point. Suppose this point consider child place, first starting point. And he went 90 minutes in the east. Here directions important: east, west, north, south. First one east 90 meters. Before turning to his right, again turning to right. This is called right. 30 meters. This is called 20 meters. 90 meters are 90. This point, this is called 20 meters. Again this point turning to his right. Means again right 30 meters. This point is called uncle place. Distance 30 meters. Next, his father was not there. Not there. From there, he went 100 meters to his north before meeting his father in a street. North means the direction is called north. This point is called father place. This point is called child place. He calculate distance between father and child. Method easy. A total 90 meters. This is parallel to this spot. Remaining is equal to 60. This total line is equal to 100. This spot 20, remaining 80 meters. Here calculate this spot only. This is called right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem logic condition. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is called AC. Consider X variable. Here X square is equal to 60 square plus 80 square. X square is equal to 100 square. Then X is equal to 100. Option C only correct. This is about direction test. I think only 1 mark using directions in TCS test pattern. The direction test topic using only diagram based concept. Important only left right directions only important. And also conditions, check the distance equal or not. That point also important to direction test. But here calculate only shortest distance between child and father. No need to calculate total distance. That method it is not correct method. Here calculate only shortest distance between father and child. By using Pythagoras theorem, that one convert into a right angle triangle. Using right angle triangle, apply the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to sum of the sides square. Means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. X square is equal to 60 square plus 80 square. X square is equal to 100 square. X is equal to 100. Therefore, the distance between child and father is equal to 100. Distance always positive. Negative does not exist. Positive answer only 100. Option C only correct. And second model using directions. Find the angle direction with respect to clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, rotational or irrotational direction. That example also important to TCS test pattern. Here only 3 methods. First one calculate only distance. Second one calculate only direction. Third one angle direction. Only 3 methods in TCS test pattern. Minimum 1, maximum 2 marks. 1 mark guarantee. Okay. Next. Number series, find the next number. 12 comma 54 comma 144 comma 300 comma 540 comma 882. Find next number. Option A 1190, B 1248, C 1344, D 1584. First to apply difference concept. I think difference not possible here because lengthy big numbers are given. Second to apply multiplication. And next nearest square number and cube number. But these are not square number, cube numbers. The maximum applicable only multiplication operator. 12 means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 3. Means 4 into 3. 12. Correct. 54. 3 into 3, 9. Into 6, 54. Correct. Next, 4 into 4, 16 into 9, 144. Correct. 2, 3, 4 and so on. 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. That series important here. Next, 5 into 5. Into 12, 300. Next, 6 into 6 into 15, 540. Next, 7 into 7 into 18, 882. Next, 8 into 8 into 21 is equal to 1344. Option C only correct. This is about 11th example, but number series, but this problem lengthy, but using multiplication operator, addition and subtraction, that cases are very simple. Multiplication only difficult method, means 1 minute not sufficient. You have to check every number sequence following or not. If the problem is following a perfect sequence, that is only answer of the given one. Is there any example multiple logics exist? That is not correct method. One question following one method. This is called number series concept. Once again, a TCS test pattern, a total number of questions 20 to 25, time duration 25 minutes, one question only, maximum time duration only 1 minute, a time factor important, level of difficulty already 11 examples completed. These 11 examples are following only basic to average level. Just complete concept of the topic, then enough to prepare TCS test pattern in reasoning ability. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.